So let's start with MCQs of work, energy and power. So let's start with the first question. It says water falls from a height of 60 meter at the rate of 15 kg per second to operate a turbine. The losses due to frictional forces are 10% of energy. How much power is generated by the turbine? So in this case, first of all, height is given to us. H is 60 meter, and you can see rate of 15 kg per second. That means in 1 second it operates for 15 kg. That means mass over second, mass of a time. It will be 15 kg per second. Now losses are 10%, that means 90% is used. 90% is already used. How much power is generated by the turbine? So power in this case will be mass over time, that is 15 times 10, that is the loss, into 60, and 90% is used. That means it will be taken as 0.9 because 90 over 100 is 0.9. So when you calculate this, you will get 8100 volt, and it can be converted into kilowatt, and it would be 8.1 kilowatt. So the right answer to this is third part. Next question says, the shell of mass 200 gram is ejected from a gun of mass 4 kg by an explosion that generates 1.05 kilojoule of energy. The initial velocity of the shell. So we need to find the initial velocity of shell. So let's take mass m as mass, small m as shell of mass. So it will be 200 gram, and I will convert this into kg. So it will be 0.2 kg. Bigger M as mass of gun, so it will be 4 kg. So the formula for momentum of conservation is mv plus mv is equal to 0. So from this I can figure out that my bigger v, or the velocity, is given as minus mv and bigger m over bigger m. So as you can see, we have a negative sign here. So the negative sign shows that the recoil velocity of the gun is opposite to the velocity of the shell. So now we need to find the energy of the explosion used. So in this case, first of all, put the value of small m and bigger m. So it will be V over 20 minus V over 20 meter per second. Now we need to find the energy of explosion. So energy will be half mv square plus mass of bigger M v square equal to, that generates 1.05 kilojoule. It could be written as 1.05 into 10 raised to power minus 3 joule. So this will be here. So when you put all the values of m, v and all, so you will get v square as 10 raised to power 4, and we can cut down square with 4, so it will be 10 square. So that means 100 meter per second. So the right option for this is the third part. Let's start with the third one. It says engine pump water continuously through a hose. Water leaves the hose with a velocity v, and mass m is the per unit length of the water jet. What is the rate at which kinetic energy is imparted to water? So we need to find kinetic energy. Now we have velocity of water as v, and mass is flowing per unit length is m. So mass flowing per second would be mv, and rate of kinetic energy will be with respect to time. So rate of kinetic energy in this case will be half m v square, and m can be written as mv because mass flowing per second is mv. So the right answer for this is half mv cube. Let's start with the fourth one. Now the fourth one says a body of mass 1 kg is thrown upward with a velocity of 20 meter per second. That means my mass is 1 kg, initial velocity is 20 meter per second, height is 18 meter. How much energy is lost due to air friction? So kinetic energy is nothing but equal to maximum potential energy, and initial kinetic energy will be half mu square. So 1 is n, u is 20 square. That means my value will be 200 joule. And kinetic energy is equal to potential energy. That means mgh max would be same as initial kinetic energy. So it is mgh equal 200 joule. And next thing is h is 18 meter first, and the height traveled by the body, is so m is 1 here, g is 10 here, h is unknown to us, 200 joule. So it will be h equal 20 joule. So the height traveled by the body is h dash, that is 18 meter, that is given to us in the question. So we need to find loss of energy due to air friction. So it will be given by mgh minus mgh dash. Mg is constant, whereas h is the variable here. So m is 1, g is 10, h is 20 minus 80, h dash is 80. So this will be 20 joule. So the right answer for this one is 20 joule. So thank you for listening. Please hit the subscribe button